What's going on, guys? Today we're back with another video, and we have a pair of New Balance 740s. The reason why I'm making this video is because I don't have a clean tutorial on this pair of sneakers yet. And as you can see, this specific pair is very, very bad. You guys can see that. Look at the split difference on the mesh on the toe here. So you guys can see real dirt, real damage. I'm gonna go ahead and try to make these look as brand new as possible. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So I've gone ahead, I've already removed the shoelaces. And for the cleaning, I'm going to be using some Reshoevn-ator, a little bit of blue detergent, and a little bit of bleach as well. Then I'm going to be taking my medium texture brush and just going ahead and scrubbing this nice small surface. And I can see already that this dirt is definitely going to be stubborn. Now I'm going to take a microfiber cloth and just go ahead and dry everything up, right? So we can see it lightened up a bit, but you guys can see the dirt is still there. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and soak them in detergent. And I'm going to show you guys the detergent method. For now, we're going to take a stiff texture brush and just go ahead and clean up the entire outsole portion of the sneaker with it. Then for some extra razzle dazzle, we're going to get the trusty steamer and just go ahead and steam the soles down as well. Alright, and now for the fun part, not really, but I'm going to show you guys the detergent method. So first I'm going to do, I'm going to soak the shoe. I have some detergent here, some blue detergent specifically. You want to use blue detergent when you're doing this. I'm going to take that, I'm going to put some on my brush like so, and just go ahead and scrub it in to the mesh. And what you could even do is you could just pour it onto the mesh directly. Don't want to spill too much like that because I'm an idiot. But yeah, and just scrub it into the mesh. And I'm even using some of the detergent on a paintbrush just to go ahead and sit it on that top layer of mesh. Alright, now I have them in my ice box. Turn it on. I'm going to leave them in here till probably like tomorrow. You can just really leave it in there until it's dry. And also for the shoelaces, I just have them soaking in the same solution I used to clean the shoes. Alright, so as you guys can see, the detergent has dried into the mesh. You guys can see on these parts where the dirt is, it's not as prevalent because obviously the dirt is there. So what we're going to do now is just going to run it underneath some water and just scrub all the detergent out. And as you can see, the stains are still there. I bet you thought that was going to be it, huh? I bet you thought you was going to do that and it's going to be nice and clean. No, that's part of the process though. So, but it did help. It did help. But now we're going to switch over to the tissue method. And the tissue method and the detergent method go hand in hand, right? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get, depending on how thin your tissue is, you may need to use like 4 squares, whatever. I got 4 squares right here. I'm going to place this on to the toe box right here. Then I'm going to use a spray bottle. Make sure it's just on there. And you're not going to do nothing but just let this dry up on its own. And I'm going to do this to the entire shoe. And you guys can see now that it's all dry, all of this was dirt that was trapped underneath that rose to the surface. And that's what the tissue does. And I didn't do it on the tongue. You guys can see the stain rose to the surface and the tissue would have absorbed that. So I got to go over that again. But you guys can see for the most part, if I start peeling this off, you guys see it's all in there, and the mesh is literally as white as can be. And remember, this is the one that was all dirty and the mud was stuck in it, whatever. I'm also doing this small repair on one of the lace holders, just ripped off. So I taped it all off. I'm gonna add glue right here in the base, like right here. I'm gonna add some glue in there. Then I'm going to attach it to this edge. I already have everything taped off, so we're just gonna do that. Alright guys, at this point, I am pleased to say the shoes are literally brand new again. Look at the mesh. You guys remember how nasty this was and the dirt was just stuck in there? And it's gone now. So if you guys would like this treatment done to your own pairs, DM the IJ Restorations, man. I'm gonna get you right. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.